guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's first Vlogmas video ever. I have thought about doing this for such a long time and I am going to attempt to post a video every day from December 1st today and to Christmas Day, so December 25th. I was going to do the entire month, but I'm going to end on Christmas and I am so excited to show you all the fun things that I have planned for this month. So for today's video, we're just going to talk a little bit about what Vlogmas is, and I am going to unbox 6 of these incredible Christmas Wishables. So if you haven't seen this yet, it is a 12-day Christmas countdown of the Disney Parks Wishables. Yes, so there are 12 regular size Wishables in this massive tree. Unfortunately, we did have a little bit of damage during shipping, which this is very large and very understandable. They're all different, so we know we're not going to get any duplicates, and I've seen the set. They're adorable, all Christmas themed. I am very excited to open these up. I was going to do it like one every day once it starts like the 12-day countdown. However, I want to open it now. So we're gonna open 6 today, and then in a later video, one that's like more of me chatting with you guys, I'm gonna open the next 6. So we're just gonna do days 1 through 6 now, and then we'll do 7 through 12 later in our Vlogmas series. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you can never miss a Vlogmas video and turn those notifications on. So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right into it. Again, these are the Christmas Wishables, and they have 12 in here. So let's open the first one. Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh, they're like really tight in here. Okay. Ooh, got it. We're a little stuck. Oh, it's like really tied in there. Okay, so this one is actually really cute. It is the gingerbread house. Ignore our Disney tags. Here's a close-up of the cute little gingerbread house. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Vlogmas. I have been watching people do Vlogmases on YouTube for so many years, and I'm so excited that I am going to finally attempt to do my own. So what Vlogmas is, like I mentioned, I'm going to be posting a video every day from December 1st to December 25th. That's a lot of videos. Some videos are going to be longer, some videos are going to be shorter. It really is going to be all different types of videos. Tomorrow's video is going to be a vlog of our Texas trip. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know we just got back from Waco, Texas over Thanksgiving, and so I put a little vlog together for that, and that will be tomorrow's video. Then this weekend, you're gonna get all videos about decorating our house for Christmas. I have 3 parts, I think. That's gonna be 3 parts, I'm pretty sure. And then we have some unboxings, and I'm gonna unbox my plum paper, I can never say that, my plum paper planner with you. So many, we're just gonna have like a regular vlog day, Christmas cookies, so many different things, gingerbread houses I wanna do. I really wanna do a holiday taste test with my husband, Jackson. He doesn't really know that yet, and I'm trying to figure out like things we could taste for our taste test. So if you have any ideas for that, let me know in the comments down below and I will make that happen. But let's go ahead and open number 2. Okay, let's see who it is. And I'm pretty sure these are all like the main characters. So like Chip and Dale and Mickey and Minnie and Pluto, Daisy and Donald. I think those are gonna be like our main characters that we're gonna get. Okay, so this is Chip. I have to be really careful because they have them tied in here and I don't want to tear them. Okay, So this is Chip. Pretty sure this one's Chip. Yeah. And he has his little holiday outfit on. He has his little holiday outfit on, just as cute as ever. I will link my last Wishables unboxing that I did right up here for you guys. It was the 50th anniversary one, and those ones were so stinking cute. I loved them. I still need, I think it's, who do I still need? I can't remember who I need still. I think it might be Donald or the Chaser. No, I have Chip and Dale. I can't remember who I still need for that one. I did trade for Pluto, and then I still needed one more. I can't remember who it was. Okay, let's open this one. So then this one is Dale, and I'm not sure if all of these are the same, like if every single box was in the same order or not. So if you ended up getting one of these from Shop Disney or in the parks, let me know if, and if you've already opened it obviously, are yours in the same order as mine? I was wondering that, because if somebody like knows they want one, they could just go ahead and open the correct tape. So here is Dale. Ooh, Dale is snazzy. He has all the fluff. He is looking mighty fine in his Christmas outfit. So we have Chip and Dale together. They are adorable. And then we have the gingerbread house. I mentioned tomorrow's video is going to be all about Waco, Texas. We had such a great time at the Magnolia Silos. Tomorrow's video is more of just like videos from our trip, and I did a lot of voiceovers. So that one is going to be not too long, I don't think. I did finish editing, I just have to get it uploaded, but it is gonna be, I just am really excited for you guys to see the silos and a couple of our very interesting videos we had on Thanksgiving after we had lots of wine. So yeah, they're pretty funny. I was gonna like take them out, but definitely needed to leave those. Ouch! Okay, so this one's pretty cute. This is just a wreath, and it has a little face on it, and like the berries that would be on the wreath are Mickey Mouse heads. So cute. You can barely see their little eyes right there. There we go. Love that. Before we jump into the last two for this video, again, this weekend's vlog, so tomorrow's Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, and Saturday's vlogs, I believe. Yes, those are going to be my Decorate With Me vlogs for Christmas. I decorated our entire home, and I have my Disney tree in my office, so you guys are going to be able to see our entire home decorated for Christmas. And then on Sunday, we're going to have my November Bibbidi box. It's sitting right here, and I'm so excited to open it. That unboxing will be on Sunday. And even more exciting than all of that, on Thursday, we are leaving for Walt Disney World. I am so excited to be able to go during the holidays. This is our first like just weekend quick trip. So we're gonna be there Thursday through Sunday. We're gonna go to the Christmas party, and all of those vlogs are gonna be included in Vlogmas. So I'm gonna have like a travel vlog, a pack with me vlog, a haul. I know you guys love my Disney hauls. And then we're also gonna be at Hollywood Studios and at Epcot at the Festival of the Holidays. I am so excited to do the cookie stroll. You guys, I love Christmas. It is, besides summer, I wish we could have summer and then have holiday season and then skip January and February and then go into like spring and summer, just because January and February are so cold in Nebraska, and nobody likes that cold because it doesn't even snow, it's just cold. But anyways, now I'm just rambling. I am so excited to go and do the cookie stroll. I've watched so many Festival of the Holiday videos like forever, and I've always wanted to do the cookie stroll, and I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna buy the cookie jar, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. We are going to try Genie Plus, I think, on Sunday at Hollywood Studios. That day we have to also leave and fly out back home, and we think that'll be a good day to try it. We know that when we go back we're gonna do Genie Plus at Magic Kingdom, but since we're just gonna do Magic Kingdom on Friday and at the party, we don't really need to because we're gonna get all of our rides in at the party anyways. So definitely be on the lookout for those during Vlogmas as well. And I'm gonna have a whole Vlogmas playlist available to you guys, just in case you're like watching this in July or next year, who knows. So you can watch all of the videos that I do for Vlogmas this year. Okay, let's open our last two. I feel like I'm just rambling, but I'm really excited. So excited. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see who this is. Ooh, I think this is Donald. He's really stuck in there. Okay, there's Donald. Alrighty, so here's Donald. Oh, he's got a little winky face, and he's holding a Mickey gingerbread man. What? How cute he is. He's got his little gingerbread man and his little hat and his little fluffy hair. He is such a cutie cute. Okay, let's open this last one. Ooh, I lost my door. Good thing I already told myself I wasn't keeping this tree. I'm not keeping this. Okay, let's get this guy out, and it is Miss Daisy. So they did do a good job of keeping them in order at least. So this is Daisy, and she has her little hat with her peppermints and her little dress on. Daisy and Donald. Chip and Dale. And then our gingerbread and the wreath. Ah, I love them. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be really hard for me to not open the rest of those, but we're gonna wait. That will be later in a different Vlogmas video. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn those bell notifications on so you never miss a video, and let me know in the comments down below of your favorite holiday tradition. Mine is when we bake Christmas cookies with all the ladies in my family. We have such great ambition of like all these new cookies we're gonna make, and we always just make our favorites, and it's so much fun. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss out. Trust me, there might be some fun giveaways coming this month and you don't want to miss out. So make sure you're subscribed, notifications turned on. Got it? Got it. Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon, like tomorrow. Bye.